Oh my god, Kiwi. Hey. Oh my god. What kind of bird is this?
Green-cheeked conure.
I don't know what in bahasa Indonesia. Ow! Oh! Oh. Hmm. You have umbrella, baby? Huh?
No?
Oh! Bye-bye. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Not gonna knock over that glass, is he?
I hope not. I'm gonna hold on to it. He's taking a bath.
He's taking a bath.
Yep.
You know, taking a bath?
Yes.
Take a bath in the kitchen.
Basah. Wet.
Oh, he pooped.
Mm.
He's pooping while taking a bath.
Gross.
Where?
Right there.
Hey.
I did not expect this. Cute. There we go. He has a weird little hairdo.
And look who's hungry here.
Scratch.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, he's done with his bath. And he walked all over my food.
Yes. All right.
Mm.
Matt,
Yes.
clean up you and your bird's mess.
No, it's fine. It's been cleaned.
No.
Why?
Clean it up.
Okay.
Look, someone wanna try to steal my food.
Yes.
Everyone's going after your food.
If you eat too slow.
I enjoy my food
Yes.
so much.
Yes, and Scratch requires the food and Kiwi. Kiwi also requires food. Kiwi with the brain of a 5-year-old shall steal Debbie's food. Oh, never mind.
Oh, you almost take my beef. Oh no.
Yes.
Kiwi's
Oh,
a
no.
carnivore now.
Oh no. Hi, baby, baby.
What happened?
You fell. What are you doing? Why are you like this?
Try him again, Matt.
I'm trying to, but he's busy.
Okay.
Can you please get on my finger? Come on, Kiwi. Come right here. Right here, Kiwi.
Bird trainer.
I would usually give him a treat, but I don't have it with me, so I'm just giving him pets.
Again?
Oh gosh. I don't think I can. He's already found a comfy spot and he's cold.
He's
The water's cold. Feel the water.
Hmm. There's Kiwi. So guys, this is the situation in our house full of
Pet.
Pat and Kiwi and also my babies. They love to stay around with us and stealing our food.
And eating hair.
Oh, and eating my hair now?
Yep. Yes.
Hopefully he's not Party. Oh, Party is model, yeah? Okay. we can you can salah. Matt has a lot of pets, and one of our video will you can see Matt's pets.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully, yes. And enjoy the video. Enjoy with our animals. Nakal ya?
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, he wants to join eating with me. Stay here. He took the cheese, look. He took the cheese, look. Here. Here, you eat this, yeah? Okay, bird. Enak banget. Chipotle, I like it. I think last time I put the cream sauce.
Sour cream?
Sour cream. Matthew!
Green hot sauce. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. I'll try it. See if you like it. It's not too spicy. Look, Matt, already finished.
Good boy. And the burrito size is very big.
Oh, last time I have not black bean, the black bean. Oh, the pinto beans? Yeah.
Can he eat corn?
Corn? Yes, he can. He cannot have tomatoes or avocado.
Oh.
Kiwi, are you full now?
So
You can talk to yours. Yeah, like that.
So Matt's eating a chicken burrito. It's huge. And Kiwi's
Kiwi's here to help me eat it.
he's there to help. He already picked up that piece of lettuce
From me.
He stole
from
it
Debbie's
Debbie.
salad.
Chipotle is really good.
Yes.
I have the lettuce, I have guacamole, itu avocado, beef steak,
Yes.
I have the rice, I have corn, I have medium chili,
Yes, it's very good.
and I can eat this like more than once.
Have some.
And Kiwi's eating chicken.
And he's eating the bread.
Oh, he's eating the tortilla. Nom 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 nom.